super busy. Wow. People here as well on the table. Wow. Yeah, there's some kind of event or something going on. Oh my god. Look how busy it is in there. Super busy in there. It's Puri Santrian. Wow. Signature Wagyu hot dog, club sandwich. Okay, so here's a start point for tonight's video, the Mercure Hotel, Bali Sanur Resort. This is the Genius Cafe. It's right next door to the Mercure. A few people in there. The Genius Cafe coconuts here. Just take you and show you around. That's the bar area. A big group here. Sat here. Genius Cafe Sanur. Cable. An inside seating area as well. It's quite busy actually. Super big group here. Australian, I think. A happy hour. 5 till 7 p.m. Genius Cafe weekly schedule. Lots of activities going on here at the Genius Cafe. Monthly event, pop-up market, and then now we have the Mercure. Wow, it's busy in the Mercure as well there. Very busy inside. Looks as though there's some kind of buffet or something on here. And food laid out along the side. And super busy in there. Wow. Seating area out here as well. A few people sat here as well. Signature Wagyu hot dog, club sandwich, fajitas, salads, gato. And some tourists here as well. Well, there's the Mercure bar. It goes out towards the pool on the other side. Just show you some of the things here. Buffet dinner. Tuesday barbecue. Dinner Thursday, Friday, so something every day of the week. Happy hour 6 till 8 p.m. Buy 2 get 3 on the beers and the wine. That's at the Breeze Bar here at the Mercure. Okay, so just carrying on. So the Mercure entrance is just up there. We'll continue down here. So just on from the Mercure, we have area Bermain. This is like a kids play area. Bicycle rental. WhatsApp number there. Not available at the moment because obviously it's night time. We have a, it's quite a few, not quite a few, but there's families inside there. Kids play area. Slides, exercise equipment, all things of that nature. There's the father exercising there. We'll just continue walking on now. I think next we have Retro Beach Bar. Okay, so this is a place called Retro Beach Bar. They're just setting up now with the musical artist, just setting up there. Hello. We'll just give you the name here. Retro Beach Restaurant, hat and wine's available there. Girl just going out. And we have a few customers inside of there as well. Oh, nice. There's the happy hours. presume these are bintang. Relax and enjoy. All the big menus outside here. Special burger. It's a little bit in darkness, can't really pick it up. Nasi Campo. That's all there at Retro Beach Restaurant. So we just continue walking now. Okay, so next on from the Retro Beach we have the Beach Cafe and Spa. It's a little bit in darkness, we can't see that. Oh, they're actually closed up already for the evening, so it's not busy in there. Still have tourists walking back in this direction, maybe walking back to the Mercure, staying at the Mercure. Some of the things available here at the Beach Cafe. It's actually a Beach Cafe and Spa. Beach Wellness Cafe. We've just passed Beach Spa through those gates there. They have the ice bath in there, cold plunge pool, also the hot tub. I'll continue on. Okay, we're just now down to the Basilico Italian Pavilion. There's just sort of some kind of event or something going on here. There's quite a few people, buffet layout there. Oh, the Basilico Italian Pavilion is also very, very busy inside. There's the name up above. Wow, super, super busy in there. Oh, very, very busy. Visit the front here as well on the table. Wow. Yeah, there's some kind of event or something going on. Big group of Indonesian. Wow. And we have the bamboo bar and lounge, this big bamboo structure here. We have a pizza place as well here. We've got big groups of people coming along the track here. Here's a bamboo bar and lounge. We have the pizzas here. Oh la la, wow. All the pizzas from there. This is the Prama. Very, very busy in the bamboo bar and lounge there. Happy hours. There's the name, Bamboo Bar, Beach Bar and Lounge. Super, super busy here. Wow. Busy everywhere. Very nice to see. Super, super busy. Wow. People dancing here. Very nice. The musical artist over there. Okay, just leaving the bamboo beach bar there now. The lady's still dancing there. More seating here. Very, very busy this evening. Wow. Nice. Oh, we have all the people getting ready here. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So this is the Prama here now. I'm going to turn off until we get down to Bobby's bar and restaurant. Just go for a little walk to the Prama swimming pool here. There's going to be no one here, so we're not going to be bothering anyone. So you can see it's a little bit lit up. All the rooms in the back there. Very nice. Turtle pool bar there. Wow. Okay, so there we are. Bali Sanur. So they do have a event schedule here for June 2026. I'm not sure whether the camera's picking that up too well with it being so dark. me just pause the video and enlarge it, and then we'll continue on now to Bobby's Bar and Restaurant. There's water sports activities available here as well. Okay, so here we are at Bobby's. Wow, it's busy in here as well. Bobby's normally not too busy up and back. Oh, there's no one outside, they're all sat inside. I think it's because it's a little bit windy this evening. Quite a few customers in the back there. There's the name. Bobby's Bar and Restaurant. Come for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And a group of ladies just going in there. And then just next in line is Costa. I've just featured this in a video. Exceptionally good food this place serves. Costa Beach Restaurant. Oh my god. Look how busy it is in there. Super busy in there. Full. Absolutely full with customers there. Yeah, very good. Oh, and it's full in this section as well. Full in there. Wow. Very good. I love it when it's busy. It's a very good restaurant that serves exceptionally good food. Let's give you one more look. Costa is where I took my picture for my thumbnail. Super busy in there. Oh, I forgot, just before we continue on from the Costa, we have a new place here. This is a little tour information, tour booking service. So come and see this guy here for all of your tours here in around Bali and the other islands. Okay, we're just going to walk on from Costa now to a final destination. There are a few stores and things here. Some of the ladies still open. Clothes, things for the beach. And then we're just going to go straight ahead now to the Puri Santrian. Okay, we've arrived here at the Puri Santrian now, so we've just walked straight line from the shops and the Costa there. And then now we're entering the Puri Santrian area. Seating area on the beach there. Obviously no one's sat there at this time of night. And a few tourists here on the seating where people are going to be dining. How busy here as well. Super busy. All these tables and chairs taken. Wow. Super busy in there as well. Just show you this, we've got copyright music playing. How are you, brother? Puri Santrian as well.